A group of parents in the Lakeview School District in Trumbull County are upset that kids aren't back in school all day, 5 days a week. Lakeview has used the hybrid model all year. Tonight, a handful of parents made passionate pleas to the school board to look at the data. Dozens trying to get in, but only 8 people were allotted time to speak at Lakeview's school board meeting Monday night, including Sevasti Gedra, the mother of a first grader.
Hearing parents confirm that their children are actually picking up shifts at what used to be called after-school jobs because they're only expected to be in class for a couple hours a week was shocking to me. School is no longer our children's full-time job. It's their part-time inconvenience. That's the message we're sending to them.
Taylor Peace says science, guidelines, and evidence from recent studies need to be considered, and students aren't getting the required hours of learning.
You may be compliant with ODE. You are not giving us our mandatory hours as prescribed by the state.
Others question the board about physical distancing requirements and mental health.
Suicide rates have forced schools in other states to reopen. Let's heed the warnings and not wait for it to be one of our own.
Allison Lance read a letter from her daughter, a junior at Lakeview.
Our education needs to be prioritized. Our social and mental health should be at the top of the priority list. We aren't learning at our full potential, and we aren't getting the most out of these pivotal years.
In the end, board president Donna Zuga says all questions asked tonight would be responded to in writing, but gave this statement.
I want you to know we do have a plan. We plan to move forward on that, and we also plan to look at what the new information is sharing so we all feel safer.
Lakeview announced February 1st that it was working towards 5 days a week learning with target dates based on staff vaccinations. Now, many parents were turned away tonight because of space limitations at the board meeting. The board says it will now consider a public meeting.